Hi everybody, I'm Chef Ben with Spicefield Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about choosing the right knives for your home kitchen. There are 3 knives that are required in any home kitchen to pretty much do any job. There's the chef knife, there's the serrated knife, and the paring knife. An essential tool that keeps all of these knives in great working order is a knife steel. A knife steel is used by just placing the base of the blade on the surface and dragging downward in a sweeping motion. This is removing all burrs from the surface of the knife between sharpenings, keeping a really good true edge. Paring knife works the same way on the knife steel, and the knife steel does not apply to the serrated knife. Now, the serrated knife, obviously for cutting bread, soft fruits like tomatoes, citrus fruits, melons. Chef's knife's pretty much any good chopping tool, and then obviously our paring knife is for skinning things, cutting small fruits and vegetables, and general utility practices in the kitchen. Thank you so much, and look for us on our next tutorial video.